Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix failed to find a Steam error on Windows PC. If you are also facing such type of error, failed to find a Steam, then here are the fixes. Launch a Steam app in your system and here go to library. And here go to your problematic app which having issues. Right click on it and choose manage and browse local files. Here your local files where Steam is installed. Here executable file found is opened. Directly open its executable files from Steam. Open from your file explorer directly. Your Steam app will definitely be opened from here. The next workaround to fix this issue is again right click on game app and choose properties. Here from the left side click on installed app, installed files, and go to right side. Here you will find the option verify these games files are installed correctly and choose verify integrity of games file. Verifying all 248 files successfully validated, such type of message you will receive, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is go to your desktop shortcut of a Steam app, right click on it and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility and here compatibility mode, make the check against run this program in compatibility mode for, and make the check against option run this program as an administrator. Click on it, make the check against this option and choose apply and OK to save the changes and run your Steam app as administrator mode and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type services.msc to open services windows. Click on OK and in services windows look for Steam client services. Simply right click on Steam client service and restart the Steam client service. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to a startup type set as automatic. Finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Close the window and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again launch the Steam app and here go to library, right click on your problematic game, go to manage and choose uninstall. Uninstall that problematic game from your Steam app library and reinstall a fresh version of this game. That's all.